Hyundai Motor India has seen great victories and glorious landmarks in the last 25 years. Over the years, we tweaked this philosophy to keep our designs universally appealing and progressive. We now aim to evolve and adapt to the future with renewed passion and ferocity. One thing is for certain, our journey into the future will be all about intelligent technology, inspiring innovation, and sustainability.
Our vision of future mobility, it's a strong commitment not only to the customer, but also to the society overall. As a globally responsible brand for sustainability, Hyundai Motor India has always been giving importance to the sustainable way of manufacturing and also way beyond, making sure that the sustainability is there not only for the customers, also for the environment henceforth. Our manufacturing plant in Sriperumbudur near Chennai is one of the greatest examples of green manufacturing. 89% of the energy source which are being used is coming from the renewable source. The 100% of the power supply, the lighting system is coming from LED. 33% of our plant is of green, which is consisting of 21,000 plants planted all around. Few years back, we faced a huge water scarcity and we took a resolve to go for a self-sustainability as far as water is concerned. We connected interplant together and we built 6 different ponds, as you could see here. And currently we have a capacity of 330,000 kiloliter of water storage. This we are using it day in and out. And by 2025, we wanted to go with zero dependency on external source. Sustainability is a way of life in Hyundai Motor India, and true to our global vision of progress for humanity, we are leaving no stones unturned to reduce the carbon footprint and also to create and ensure a co-live of human and machine to create a cohesive environment. At Hyundai, we continue to develop technologies, the technologies which are future ready, the technologies which are advanced, which are smart to enhance the customer experience and also to enhance the lifestyle of the products. For instance, we give a connected solutions through our flagship technology called BlueLink technology, which offers as high as 8 different models of our company and 60 plus variants of options in that. The state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities of spanning over 542 acres are located in a place of Sriperumbudur near Chennai, and it is epitome of huge technological prowess. The exciting story of a superstructure starts from the most important process called press shop, wherein 5,400 tons of a press does a job of a stamping, which ultimately results into a lovely curvature of the vehicle. To maintain the precision, accuracy, and also the strength of these panels, the technologies such as die management system, online vibration analysis system, as well as the 3D scanning. All these technologies ensures the body precision, accuracy, as well as the strength of the car. Ultimately ends into a lovely product which comes out consistently over a period of time. Our body shop is one of the finest example of IIoT enabled manufacturing that brings in so much of flexibility to meet the varying customer demands over a period of time. We have 650 plus 4th generation robots which works cohesively with a human, along with them, works in tandem seamlessly to make the world-class product from this particular shop. Hyundai Motor India has always been an epicenter of innovation in the entire automotive landscape by evolving from an automotive vehicle manufacturing to the smart mobility solution provider. we have started giving so much of customers experiences, and the manufacturing played a very important role in that. Assembly shop is the one wherein 250 different stations add so much of a value to the vehicle, which can give a customer delight as a whole. We have a line which can cater into 6 different models of domestic and export, and also with 400 different variants which can always make it across. Assembly shop is the one wherein the people comfort has been given the highest amount of importance, wherein utilization of digital and all the other technological marvels helping the people to achieve the desired factor whatever we wanted to do. One such example what you are seeing is something called as an exoskeleton. By wearing this, something like an English science fiction movie, wherein by utilization of the same, the operator feels extremely comfort and absolutely delightful to work on the same. Similar such kind of situation, along with the equipments, with the digital technologies of more than 5,000, makes the world's best car manufactured from this plant. As you know, more than 30,000 different components need to get assembled to make this car. So we have made in India in-house robot, which is called as autonomous mobile robot, which is also being ably assisted by our own engineers to make these components automatically find and take it to the positions where it is actually required. These kind of initiatives which are done by our own engineers and also workmen to make the company what we are right now here, and also gives a 10x impact to the investment what we have done on digitalization. This we would like to continue for years to come. Our MPMP, My Place, My Pride, which are supported by the strong 6 pillars, makes us a very important bridge or an impetus which connects between 1 million of Hyundai employees, vendors and dealer partners. And that's the way Hyundai has been an innovation hub for the entire episode of automotive landscape. We will like to continue this journey of excellence, taking care of our customers beyond mobility.
Are profoundly committed to reducing our carbon footprint and building a cohesive environment for man and machines to operate with agility. As Hyundai heads towards the future, our global philosophy, Progress for Humanity, is aimed at serving societies with a vision to help shape an ideal world. Hyundai Motors India is becoming a smart mobility solutions provider and is not just a car company anymore. And all this is happening today, not tomorrow, because tomorrow is a decade of innovation. Tomorrow is the cusp of progress. Hyundai is all set to embark on this voyage, a voyage that goes beyond mobility.